On the last day of school before spring break, we started to get some understanding that there may be some shortages of things that people might need, and then we started to get emails from hospitals and doctors.
It started to become apparent that there was a true PPE shortage. Before we knew it, we started getting contacted by various alumni who work at local hospitals, seeing if we could use our resources to kind of help them out, if they could test the products and stuff like that.
There was three major things that came up. One was face shields, one was N95 masks, and the third, which we hope won't be needed but which we're still working on, were ventilators. We started producing different variations of shields for different hospitals depending on their specific need, and refining the masks so we could get fitment on them, trying out different things, different types of interfaces between the face and the mask, and strap configurations and sizes and filter types.
I redesigned like the face shield designs to kind of print better for 3D printing, so it'll print faster and use less material, just so we could kind of increase our output. And so I brought my expertise via 3D printing and CAD to kind of try to refine that and really optimize the geometry for 3D printing.
So a lot of it is, how do you go from an idea to getting it in the hands of people as quickly as possible? And that's still a process that's still happening right now. So there's all kinds of community efforts going out. We've been working with community partners that also have printers, even single printers in people's houses. And right now there's an effort going on with Department of Education to look if we can sort of optimize some resources they have, and get files to people and get support to people and get materials to people so that those assets can be brought to bear and we can generate more quickly.
We're working with Andy and Shelby from Outdoor Education, as well as Kealohi from Hawaiian Studies. All three of them helping on the manufacturing, the assembly, and getting the products ready to kind of deliver to these hospitals. Just last week, VPC started to help us produce the face shields for our masks as well. Within a couple of days, we're getting feedback, input, it's getting tested and actually put in and certified for use in the hospitals. There's like no other scenario that you would really have a product that could be developed and used by so many different users in such a short timeline. I just hope that we're doing a great enough job, or a good enough job, to kind of bridge the gap for all these hospitals until they can start to get the real FDA PPE certified. I really appreciate all the support and positive comments we've received from the Punahou community, our colleagues, as well as the community in general.